So please help me like this video and leave a comment on what currency pair you'd like me to analyze next. Before we begin, CFDs are really complex instruments and are very risky. You could definitely lose more than what you've deposited, and leverage can work for you and also against you. This entire video analysis is not intended as investment advice, nor should it be construed as such. So let's look at gold. So we can see on gold right now, on the 4 hours time frame, prices are holding above this ascending trend line that we have over here. I'm just going to put this in the dotted line. And also if we go into the 1 hour time frame, same thing on gold as well. It broke out of its descending trend line. So right now we can see on gold, we could see a pullback before playing a further push up. So in terms of gold, you can see just in terms of graphical level, if I go on to the 30 minutes, you'll probably see it clearer. This level, this is a key level here because price rejected this level as a resistance twice before it broke. So this is the first level. And if you're to do a Fibonacci retracement of the move from low to high, you can see that this level lines up with the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement. So I'm going to put this as our buy entry. And another thing that we can check as well, it's our Fibonacci extensions, which are basically zigzag patterns. So this is the zigzag pattern that we have on gold. And let's see what, these are the 3 points that we take. So let's see what it gives us. So over here, the first point, second point, and third point, you open up the key levels, you can see the 61.8 extension is slightly lower. Okay, so this is good for us if we want to use it as our stop loss. I'm just going to leave this here first. Okay, so this is the first level that we have. The second level in terms of support, you can see this level here. Okay, so in fact, if I were to open up the same extension that we did earlier, 78.6 extension would probably be a better fit in this case. So I'm going to put my stop loss below this low, as well as the ascending trend line and the 78.6 extension. So the stop loss here. So right now, if we go back to our 1 hour chart, you can see that it has room for more upside. So my first take profit target, right, I will be careful of this resistance level. So it seems like it's testing where we could see a pullback to our buy entry before the bounce, right? So in this case, this would be what I call the upside confirmation. So we need price to break above this before it gives us room for more upside. Okay, so I'm just going to label this as the upside confirmation. Okay, so once price breaks above this level, right, the next take profit target or the next resistance level that we have, you can see is this high here where we saw rejection of this area. So this would be the take profit target. So for me right now, I'm waiting for pullback before playing a further bounce up. And for indicators, we can see that our moving average, right, I use EMA 20. Okay, so in this case, prices are also holding above our EMA as well. And I think the same can be said for Ichimoku. So let's load Ichimoku Cloud and see what we have. So you can see here, right, Ichimoku is also, prices are also holding above our Ichimoku Cloud, so it's in line with the bullish bias that we have as well. You know that you can also send your trades directly from